Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Lao papaya salad.
So I added my shrimp paste, crab paste, a little bit of sugar, chili pepper, and garlic in there. And I added a little bit of the long beans already in there because I like some of them crunchy and I like some of them like really well smashed. So I'll probably add 4 of this. Maybe 5, I don't know. I don't really count. And then this, I basically pureed my own tamarind. This is tamarind. So we're just gonna add 1, 2. Add some tomatoes, just a few. I won't add the whole thing in. And then now I'm going to add my papaya. Goes in the papaya. And then the Asian eggplant and some of the long beans. The rest of that, you want to throw that all in there. And then tomatoes. Squeeze my lime in there. Just half a lime. That's what I normally do with my limes. I feel like you get more limes with this when you use a spoon. You can use a lime squeezer, whatever you have, but that works best for me. Taste it. I like it, but I'm gonna add some sugar because it's on the sour side. And add a little bit more fish sauce. Just 1. Perfect. So good. Yeah, hey, my mother-in-law. There it is. Oh.